Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the grid layout in Java. The grid layout is used to arrange the components in the rectangular grid. One component is displayed in each rectangle. For that grid layout, we just need to import the library of java.awt and import javax.swing. Okay, here our class name is GridLayout, and as usual I just create a variable which is frame f, and then I just write here grid layout, and then I just write f which is equal to new j frame. Okay, so j button which is b1 is equal to new j button, and here I just set the button name as a 1. Okay, so this is the button 1 I just create, and here I just create 8 buttons more. So button number 2, button number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so button number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Here I just write button number 2, button number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I just write f dot add, and add is the button number 1. Okay, then I just write here for button number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here I just change the positions. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, now I just f dot set layout, set the layout here, and here I just write new and grid layout. As we study in this lecture which is grid layout, so that's why I just use the grid layout and set the position which is 3 and 3. So I just set 3 grid layouts for 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, now I just set the size f dot set size, and the set size here is 300 x 300, and f dot set visible which is true, and here I just create a method which is public static void main and string arguments, and new which is the class name here. Okay, and here our code for this grid layout is complete here. As you know that we just make 9 buttons for the grid layout, and our class name is grid layout here. Simply for when I just set the layout, so I just add the grid layout and add the 3 columns and 3 rows. I just run this code, and you can see this is the grid layout. Button number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is a simple example of grid layout in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.
If you are looking for teaching stuff, education stuff, programming series, application, and Android development, coding skills, marketing skills, presentation skill, paid courses for free are available. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.